Is Joel worried about that cop car behind us? Yeah, he is, because his plates are not up to date.
I don't think my I don't know if my sticker's at. I gotta call and find out what's going on with it.
Well, Joel and I have a date today. We're going in to check out different countertops because I'm not sure about the ones we picked. I'm kind of debating between these two. If it was my personal house, I would probably go with the more white one. But because this has just a little more color, I just hate the small chips in it, but they're still pretty. I still really like it. I don't hate it. I just personally prefer that one. Here's our paint colors. This is the countertop that I had chose, but I really didn't like the brown specks in it. So it's basically the same thing, just without brown, and it doesn't have as white of a look to it, but I think it's still good. Do you like it, Joel?
Yeah, either of those is gonna be great. They look nice and masculine.
Holding my bag? Yeah, you do.
It's comfortable. I'm comfortable right now. Like a housewife. Just
the arm hold, do you wonder why I stand like an old lady? Like, look at the way you're holding your arms. It's because it's comfortable.
Yeah.
I don't care. I'm an old lady at heart, and I'll stay that way.
I'm an old man already.
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
Come on, Toots. Let's go.
That was a quicker trip than I was thinking. We got outlet covers.
That's good.
And Joel, there's no cop, and I don't see a ticket on your windshield. Good job. Let's get our registration done.
I gotta finish this house first. I don't have time to register vehicles.
Sometimes I wish I lived in a snow globe where the wind blows. It's wonderful. Did you see him look at me? Ooh. That's the snow creeper, everybody. Oh, Lincoln!
How does he have that? Is he just wearing his pajamas?
He's wearing his pajamas and his moccasins.
Well, that's gonna work.
The definition of I don't give a rat's is Lincoln.
That's his motto. He's up for a good time, anytime though.
He really is. I am not showered. I am not going to put jeans on. However, I need to go out and about. We just got a notification saying that our carpet that we picked out for the flip home is not going to be ready until February. That will not work. So Joel and I are going to go into town and we are going to pick out new carpet. My goal in life is to be able to wear my pajamas every single day, no matter where I go, and have it be acceptable. This feels acceptable. I'm gonna wear my pajamas underneath. It's loungewear, folks. It's not pajamas. All right, the entire outfit linked in the description. I am comfy. I am going into town and it is acceptable. All right, mister, it's time for school.
I'm finishing my job.
Yeah, I know. You boys are taking very seriously your jobs and I love it. Let's go put the shovel away so it doesn't get buried in snow. Oh, nope, you gotta put it away.
I need to finish my job.
When you get home. It'll be here when you get back. I promise.
Well, like everything in the construction world, whatever you think you have done, planned, and figured out completely, toss it. We would definitely like things to be like moving a little bit faster than that, so we're having to go through a million different places like right before Christmas, hopefully to get due dates and install dates a little bit sooner, but re-picking out and everything, I don't know if it's worth it or not, but super fun. Probably not what Bonnie wants to be doing right today. I think she was wrapping presents instead, but I was like, we gotta figure this out now.
So here's what I'm looking for. I don't like shag, but what I am looking for, and this is what Julie put in hers, it's kind of, not this design. So this is the tight woven in between, and then they have a short shag
Pattern.
And it doesn't necessarily have to be like a pattern,
just,
but I just like the feel of it. I like the look of it. See, like this is a good example. This has tight loops and then short shag. And I like that there's two different colors because it would hide stains. Like, I really like that.
I don't. Oh gosh, that feels like I'm.
Okay, so
that's
not,
awful.
Okay,
no.
not that one. Not that one.
If it's not lay-onable, get rid of it. You have to be able to lay on it comfortably.
I really like this one.
I do too, but it does have a pattern, which I don't mind. I like the carpet lines. Bonnie hates them, but I like them.
I don't like carpet lines. This one really isn't picking up the two-tone very much in like the camera, but it's like a dark gray and a light gray. It has the loops And it has the, oh there, I think you can kind of see it. And then the shorter shag kind of in between. So it kind of fits all the things that we were looking for in a carpet. I like the colors, they go good with our paint colors. So I think this is the one we'll do, and it's in stock. Do you know what I thought was really cute?
What's that?
When we were driving here, and you turned and I had to wait for other cars and you waited for me. I genuinely was like, oh, he's waiting for me.
I just didn't want you to get lost.
Yeah, and I would have.
You'd have gotten so lost.
Okay, masks are hard to wear when you're wearing a hat.
Hats aren't such a big deal, but when I put my sunglasses on and off, my chums like rip them right off.
Even though I don't really want to look at more countertops, we're just going to look.
Well, two things. The reason we're doing this is because carpet was delayed so long and we just sped it up almost a full month, which is amazing.
And shaved off like $1,400.
Almost $1,600.
Oh.
So it's like, let's put a little more time into this. That's worth money.
Okay.
Oh, is it not open?
Are they closed?
Oh, we are open. Come in.
Come in to make an appointment?
Oh.
All right, verdict on the countertops. We went and looked at some other ones, and I think we're going to stay with the ones that we already have picked out.
Hey, Mom, is that light on in the garage?
Yes? Is that a good thing? Is that a good thing?
I'm just trying to remember which breaker turns off which.
Okay. Are you guys ready to see the kitchen? Because I'm literally seeing it in person for the first time. Dun, 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 na, 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 na. Joel, is this where the island is gonna be?
Yes.
You put it where it's supposed to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like drilled in?
No.
Oh, it's just loose?
No.
For now?
Yeah, it's just loose.
Okay. You're in the way though. They can't see the kitchen. Ooh, so that's where the fridge is gonna go. That's where the oven is gonna go. I wish the microwave could have gone like in a cabinet or somewhere. We just didn't have the room. So the microwave goes there. Hold on, let me come this way. Okay, farmhouse sink goes right there. Dishwasher goes right there. What do you think?
It's wild.
I think it looks incredible. Let me step back. I think it looks so good. We got the cabinets in the bathroom. And let's walk over into this bathroom. Oh, it's big. It's big.
Well, I mean, it's huge this way.
Yeah.
But then we also went
just a little deeper.
A lot deeper, so that they just have so much room for vanities.
Well, I knew that I wanted to have it be as big as possible because, maybe it's because I don't have the space in my bathroom, but I just really wanted a lot of space on the counter. Something I know we need to get ordered ASAP is mirrors. I need mirrors. Oh my gosh, I wish that people could see this in real life, because it's a lot bigger than I was imagining. I kept looking at the like spray paint line on the ground and I just kept thinking it's so small, it's so small. No, it's not small. It's not small. I'm excited. Let me update you on the lighting. We have lights, guys.
Oh, damn.
Oh, light switches?
Would you want some mood lighting? You can have
yes.
The two little ones.
Just the two ones over in the corner, or
you can walk over here.
Ooh, a shower pan.
Just be like, oh, I want all of it. All, wait, sorry. All of it.
Joel, good job.
How bright is that?
It's stinking bright, and I love it. We love a good, well-lit basement.
I really like these lights as opposed to the can lights, I think.
How come? I don't. I like cans, but because
I like the way cans look, but look at how much more even light is. I feel like the light's a little more even along the wall.
I don't think so.
Okay. You don't think so?
I don't think it's any more even or any less even. However, I think I prefer the cans. But because of like what's above the ceilings, we had to go with these, right? Versus cans.
Very limited space.
And then here's our other cabinet that was made. I was paranoid that this was gonna be such a tiny bathroom, but I was downstairs in the kids' bathroom the other day.
Smaller than this.
I was like, this bathroom is way smaller than this bathroom.
Kids' bathroom technically starts right here.
Wow.
And goes over.
Yeah, so this is great. This is really shallow, just in that one area, but it's okay.
About 3.5 inches shallower than
Yeah.
our basement,
But that's all right. That's what comes with an old home, the territory of an old home.
Want to see my favorite room?
I mean, I don't, but yes, Joel, I would love to see it.
Well, I want to show. So look at all the utilities, brand new electrical, all new this, but this bad boy.
This is Joel's happy place.
This is an inline water heater, unlimited. You can take a 10-hour shower. It's never running out of hot water. You know the whole, oh, I ran out of hot water. Who took all the hot water? It will never happen again, ever. I'm so jealous of this. And look at how much space it takes up. Like a third of a freaking tank.
Do you see how passionate he is about that inline water heater? Okay. It's the same way I get passionate about things that he doesn't really care about. This is so funny. Every time at home, I wish I had an inline water heater.
Did you say you don't care about it?
I mean...
So I'm still waiting to put up the lights in here and the fire...
Extinguisher?
Fire alarm.
Oh.
All the outlets are done and the light switches are done.
Ooh, Joel, this is the first time I'm seeing the outlets. Good
The floors are all
job.
ready for carpet, which we ordered today.
Yep, it's on the books. It's scheduled, people. We are almost wrapping this up. And I was thinking about it, I was like, okay, how long have we been doing this project? And are our viewers sick of seeing it? I don't know. I don't know if you are or not. You surprised me with the house for Valentine's Day, and that's in like 2 months, 2.5 months.
I'm hoping it's sold by February.
I would love to have it sold in January. That means we will have worked on the project for 11 months.
I think.
That's feasible. I would love to not go over a year. I was like, we've been working on this for a year? Oh my gosh.
Big project.
Whatever project you're doing, I don't care if it's a remodel, new house.
I don't care if you're just changing the oil in your car. Like, it's gonna cost twice as much, it's gonna take twice as long.
What he said, amen. Joel, that looks good. It's so nice to like have like finishing touches like that. Good job. I can't wait to hang our like lights. Like this is the standard lighting, but like the good stuff, the pretty stuff. That's like a whole vlog in and of itself though, so get ready for that because I'm pretty excited. But we're not doing that until after Christmas break. We need a refresh. we need a little break and then we'll come back and we'll
Get a little more work done.
get a little more work done. This is the best part of my day.
I made this. Look.
Play-Doh.
This. And where is it?
This is like the Mary Poppins bag. Everything that just keeps coming out except what he's trying to find.
This.
Ooh, what is it? Oh, this string is very special. As you will soon see, untie and you'll find that it's the same size as me. Link, I love it.
There wasn't even any room, so I just did it right here.
I seriously love this so much. Thank you.
And you can decorate it on the tree.
Please put it on the tree. I'm excited for round 2. I've had my eyes closed this whole time so it would be a surprise.
Okay.
Okay, I've been hearing all about this for days.
This is the craft we made just today. Not the one that I've been talking about the other days.
Yeah.
You like can shake and there's glitter inside, so it's supposed to be the snow.
Is it kind of like a snow globe?
Yeah.
Wow, so you made this at school?
Yeah.
I love it, it's beautiful.
We made a present at school and we wrapped it with the coloring stuff. And this is for you, but you can have it on Christmas.
Okay, we will keep it under the tree. So your teacher got you a present.
Yeah.
That is so sweet.
And this is what we did by the stuff.
That's so dang cute, Boston.
And then there's this girl that helps us do reading groups.
Mm-hmm.
And she helps us read in a desk. And she gave us this.
That is so sweet.
And this is hot chocolate that came with it.
Awesome. You'll be able to have that in the morning or when you get done playing in the snow today. I can see how happy your face is. Boston really loves his teacher, don't you? Yep, he loves his teacher and he comes home and tells me every day how much he likes her. And that makes me so happy that you enjoy school. I genuinely have never in my life seen whatever this is that lady is doing. She is burying her face in the snow and like shaking her face. Her eyes are completely covered with snow right now. I wish she would do it again for you, and now she's not gonna do it. Like, I do not know what she is doing out here. Yeah. Okay, go in the house. Come on, let's go. Come on, go. Joel, we need to brush her face off. Look at her face. They're covered in snow. Oh. She's like, I can't see. Well, my house is a disaster, and I'm going to 100% leave it because it's date night, and we are going to have a dinner with our friends Allie and Tylen. He is like completely preoccupied. I sat in the family room and wrapped presents today, and that was extremely fun instead of cleaning my house. It's fine. Kids are going to have a babysitter and enjoy their Friday night. We're gonna go have dinner with our friends. We're ordering in Indian food. If you ever come to Logan, get tandoori oven. It is fabulous. Okay, we are going to end our night here. Thank you guys so much for watching our kitchen update and whatever else went on in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.